everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Messenger when it's not working properly. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. In order to fix your Facebook Messenger when it's not working, there are many things that you can try out. The first thing to do is make sure to update your Facebook Messenger application to its latest version if you've not done it yet. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Messenger. Once you do that, from the search result, if your app is not up to date, you'll be able to see an update button where the open button is right now available. Simply tap on the update button and download the latest version of your Messenger on your smartphone. The next thing to do is to go check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a good internet and your internet is working properly. If you're using a Wi-Fi, try switching between a cellular data or vice versa and see if that solves the issue. The next thing to do is to make sure you have enough storage on your mobile device. Sometimes, if you don't have enough storage, then you won't be able to function Messenger application properly. Go to your phone settings and tap it on. From your settings menu, go to Device Care, tap on Storage and see if you have enough available space on your mobile device. If not, you can go ahead and delete some of the apps that you no longer use or simply remove unused data from your mobile device. If that fixes the issue, then that's great, but if it does not, the next thing to do is to enable background data. Go to your settings one more time and then click on Apps. Under Apps, locate and open Messenger and tap it on. And once you open it, you'll end up in the app info page. Under Users, tap on Mobile Data. Ensure that the background data has been allowed. If not, you can simply enable the button by tapping on it. Also, if you wish to keep Messenger active when data saver is active, enable the unrestricted data users. That means you can enable the next button as well, where it says allow app while data saver is on. After you make this change, your problem might be solved. Go and check your Facebook Messenger to see if that works. If it does not, the next thing to do is update your phone. Go to Settings and from your Settings menu, tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install button at the top and check for any updates that are available. If your software is up to date, then you can move ahead onto the next process. But if it is not, first download the latest software on your mobile phone. You can hold the Messenger icon from your app drawer and tap on the uninstall button and simply uninstall the application from your device. Now, go back to your Play Store and install the Messenger one more time. After installation, open Messenger and sign into your account and see if it works. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you are having trouble and your Facebook Messenger is not working properly. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.